Here's how to make the background of an image transparent in PowerPoint. There are two ways to do this, and which method is the right one for you depends on your situation. I'm going to show you both. Both start by selecting the image and then clicking on Picture Format. The first method is to use the Remove Background function, which you can click here. This allows you to mark areas you want to keep and areas to remove. The purple area is the area that will be made transparent. Click Mark Areas to Keep and draw on any areas that you want to keep, like this. And once you're done, you can click Keep Changes to save your changes. While this is a good method for removing the background in photos, it doesn't work well with graphics and text. So in this example, the problem is that it's not accurate enough to select all the text that I want to keep. So let's reset this picture. You can do so by clicking Remove Background again and then clicking on Discard Changes. Before I move on to the second method, I want to show you one more thing. Under Picture Format, there's an option here that says Transparency. However, it will change the transparency of the entire picture, not just the background. So the second method and the correct method for this image is by clicking on Color and then on Set Transparent Color. Now click on the color that you want to make transparent. So for this image, that's the white background. And that's it. The white background is now fully transparent. Thanks for watching. Hit like if this helps you out and let me know which of the two methods was the right one for you in the comment section below.